Can you see the screen, Tuhin? Tuhin, is the screen visible, beta? Tuhin, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is the screen visible, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Learn about plants. So let's start. Kids, let's go to the garden today to see different varieties of plants. Look, so many types of plants are here.
Okay, Tuhin, do you know anything about the types of plants, beta? Anything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me, beta, what are the types of the plants?
There are two types of plant: terrestrial plant and aquatic plant.
Tell me again. One is?
Terrestrial plant and aquatic plant.
Very good. There are terrestrial plant and aquatic plant. And what is a terrestrial plant, beta? Do you know what is the meaning
The
of
plant grown on land are called the plant grown on terrestrial and land plants are called terrestrial plants.
Very good. The plant that grows on land is known as terrestrial plant. And what is aquatic plant, beta?
The plant which grow on water is called aquatic plant.
Very good. The plant that grows in water is known as aquatic plant. The plants that grows on land are called terrestrial plant. Excellent, Tuhin. Okay, the different varieties of plants here we are seeing according to the size, beta. Do you know any types of plant according to their size? Tell me, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, the trees which are very big are called trees, and the very small they are called plants.
They are called shrubs or bushes. Very good. Let's see.
Some are very small plants and some are big. This is grass. We all walk and play on grass in the garden. These are very, very small plants. These are flowering plants. These are not very big plants, but bigger than very small plants like grass. These are trees. These are just so big. So kids, there are so many different types of plants. So kids, there are so many different types of plants with different sizes. Let's study about each type of plant one by one. Trees. Big and tall plants with strong brown stems are called trees.
So what are trees? The big plants with a strong and brown stem. See, this is the strong and brown stem. These are called trees. Example of a tree is mango. These are the biggest type of trees. Biggest type of plants are called trees. Okay, tell me, Tuhin, what is a tree?
Big and tall plants with strong brown stems are called trees.
Very good. Excellent, Tuhin. Okay, Debangshu, can you tell me what is a tree?
Yes, ma'am. Big and tall plants with strong brown stems are called trees.
With strong and brown stems. These stems are so strong that even in storm, very strong storm, often they do not break. It very often happens that a strong storm is coming and they stand still in that storm. They do not break. Okay. So can you give an example to him of a tree? Any example?
Like mango, people, sal.
Excellent. Very good. Okay. Debangshu, can you give me one example of a tree?
Yes, ma'am. Mango,
Yes, mango has been told by Tuhin. Any other example, better?
pine,
Very
pine
good.
trees.
Fine. Excellent.
These are some examples of trees.
See,
Now let's see.
like Debangshu told us, there are pine, beech, maple, and those you told us to him, there are mango, apple, people, banyan, lots and lots of trees are there. Very good, both of you.
What are shrubs and bushes? Plants that have brown and thick stems, like trees, but are smaller than trees, are called shrubs.
So what is a shrub? Shrub is that kind of plants that have brown and thick stems, but not like tree. They are smaller than tree. Their stem is not as strong as that of a tree, but it is thick and it is also brown in color. And these shrubs are smaller than trees. Okay, Tuhin and Debangshu, have you both understood what is shrubs? Tell me,
Yes,
Tuhin.
ma'am.
Okay, Devanshu, have you understood what is a shrub and bushes? Devanshu, have you understood the example? Sorry, what is a shrub and bushes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Tuhin, tell me what is a shrub and bushes better? Tuhin, can you tell me what is a shrub and bushes?
Yes, ma'am. Plants that have brown and thick stems like trees but are smaller are called shrubs.
Very good. Devanshu, can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am. Plants that have brown and thick stems like trees but are smaller are called shrubs.
Very good. Excellent, Devanshu. Okay, now Tuhin, can you give me an example of shrubs and bushes better?
Some like tulsi.
Very good. Tulsi is an example. Okay, Debangshu, can you give me an example of shrub? Anyone other than that of Tulsi?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is rose. Rose.
Excellent. Very good, Debangshu. Both Debangshu and Tuhin, very good, beta.
They have many branches.
Okay, what is the other characteristic of shrubs and bushes? They have multiple branches. See, there are many branches of a shrubs or bushes. Like rose plant or tulsi plant have many branches. Here also see, this plant is having many branches.
Let's see some shrubs. These are some examples of shrubs. Look, their stems are also brown and thick, but not as thick as a tree. Now see, what are herbs? Herbs are very small plants with soft stems. Their stems are not hard and mostly are green in color.
So what are shrubs? Shrubs are very small trees. See, this shrub is a very small plant and they are having the stem which is green in color. This stem is green in color. And another characteristic is this stem is very soft. Is it clear to him?
Yes, ma'am.
Devanshu, is it clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, to him, tell me what is a shrub?
A shrub is a small tree which has soft and dim stem.
Very good. That is a heart. Excellent. Okay. Now, Devanshu, tell me what is a heart, beta?
What, ma'am?
What is a heart?
Ma'am, heart is soft and green stem.
Heart has soft and green stem. And what is the size of heart, beta? What is the size of heart? Tell me. Is it as big as a tree or very small? Tell me, Devanshu.
What, ma'am? I cannot hear voice.
What is the size of the heart? Is it very big or is it very small?
Small.
Very good. Excellent. Hearts are very small trees. Okay, now Tuhin, tell me an example of heart, beta.
Ma'am, like medicine subs like grass.
Very good. Paddy is an example. Very good. Okay, now you tell me, Debangshu, an example of heart.
Ma'am, love.
No, tell me in English, beta. Do you have salads, beta? Along with cucumber and onion, what do you have in salad? It's a red color vegetable. What is the name of that vegetable? Starts with T.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the name of that vegetable? Do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the name of the vegetable, beta.
Pumpkin.
Okay, pumpkin is also an example. Very good. It's the example of pumpkin, tomato, cabbage. We have lots and lots of examples. Wheat, paddy, mustard, radish, sunflower, carrot, ginger, turnip. All are examples of herbs. Very good, Debangshu. Excellent to him.
Let's see some herbs. These are some examples of herbs.
See, these are also the example of herbs. Here we have thyme, chives, coriander, tarragon. All these are also example of herbs.
Their stems are weak and green and also very soft. Now let's see some climbers. Climbers, plants that have very weak stems and they cannot stand on their own. They need support to climb up and are called climbers. That is, they never stand straight on their own, but need some support.
Okay, what are climbers? Climbers, this type of plants have a very weak stem. They can never stand alone. They need some supports to stand. Even if there is a tree near them, they will take the help of the tree and then they will climb. Okay. These are called climbers. Okay, Tuhin and Debangshu, have you understood what is a climber?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Tuhin, tell me what is a climber, beta?
Trees that need to support to grow and go upward. These plants are called climbers.
Very good. Can you give me an example, Tuhin?
Yes, ma'am. Like gourd, pumpkin.
Very good. Excellent. Okay, now you tell me, Debangshu, and what is a climber?
Ma'am, climber is not stand straight on their own, but need some support.
Very good. Because they have very weak stem. Okay, can you give me an example of climber, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, pumpkin is not a climber, beta. Pumpkin is a creeper. We will read creeper in the next part, but pumpkin is not a climber. Neither it is a herb. It is a creeper. Okay, Debangshu, can you give me an example of climber, beta? Any example?
Cucumber. Cucumber.
No. Cucumber is also an example of creeper, beta. Tell me an example of climber. Any example? Can you tell me, Debangshu, example of climber? Kala bushes. No, it's not an example of climber, beta. There are grapevine, bitter gourd, bottle gourd, sweet gourd. Sorry, yeah, grapevine, passion flower, glory lily. All these are example of climber. Bitter gourd, bottle gourd, sweet gourd, grapevine, passion flower, and glory lily. Is it clear, Debangshu?
Yes, ma'am.
Like some other tree or some stick, to climb up. Climbers climb up trees and houses and grow that way. These are examples of climbers. Now let's see, what are creepers? Plants that grow along the ground are called creepers.
So what are creepers? The plants which grows along the ground. See, they are growing on the ground only. They don't need any support to grow up. Actually, their stem is very weak and they don't develop any branches or any path that will hold on the support like climbers do. Climbers have a soft branches that develops in a climber plant on the stem to hold on the support. Whenever we keep any support near the climber, that branches grows around the support by holding it tightly. But they don't have that support. They grow along the ground. These are called creepers. Okay. Vedantu, have you understood what is a creeper?
Yes, ma'am.
And Tuhin, have you understood what is a creeper? Tuhin, have you understood what is a creeper, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell Tuhin what is a creeper?
The plants which have no branches. They have thin or weak stems. The he they don't need support or something. They uh, grow along the soil.
Both are correct. Okay, they don't have branches to hold on the support. Very good, Tuhin. Okay, Tuhin, can I get one example, beta, of creepers?
Yes, pumpkin, cucumber.
Very good. Okay. Now you tell me, Devanshu, what is a creeper?
No, I cannot understand.
Creeper is very easy, beta. Creepers are those plants which grows along the ground. See, these plants are growing along the ground. Okay, they have very weak stems. These are called creepers. Tell me, what is a creeper?
Ma'am, creeper is mm,
Tell me, beta, creeper is a plant
creeper is a plant
that grows
that grows
along the ground.
along the ground.
Very good. Okay, can you give me one example, beta?
Ma'am, watermelon.
Very good. Watermelon.
They too have weak stems. This is an example of creepers. Watermelon is a fruit that is grown on a creeper. So kids, today we learned about different types of plants. Now go ahead and take a quiz to learn more. Bye-bye.
In the coming week, I will be performing a quiz for both class 3 and 4 on the science chapters that I am doing this week. I will also share the syllabus of the chapters that I have done this week, on which there will be a quiz in the coming week. Is it clear, Devanshu and Tuhin?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Looking for an easy way to run Windows on Mac? Say hello to Parallels Desktop. Optimize.
Chlorophyll helps in food preparation. In this module, you will learn about different parts of a leaf and their functions. All plants have leaves. Leaves are thin, flat, and usually green above ground parts of a plant, present on its stem or branches. Most plants have green leaves of various shapes and sizes. The food of a plant is prepared in leaves. Hence, leaves are important parts of a plant's shoot system. The part of a leaf attached to the stem is called petiole.
Okay. So this part is called petiole. The part of the leaf that is attached to the stem is called petiole. And what does petiole help a leaf to do? A petiole actually attaches the leaf to the stem. It holds the leaf to the stem. Clear to you, Tuhin and Devanshu?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tuhin, now tell me better, what is a petiole?
The petiole is the place where leaves and branches are attached.
Very good. The part of a leaf that remains attached to the stem is called a petiole. Excellent. Now tell me what is the function of petiole? Tuhin, better can you tell me the function of petiole?
The petiole function is to take food and the water and mineral from the stem to the leaf and make prepare food by the leaf to the stem.
Very good. That is also a function. Another function, the most important function of petiole is it holds the leaves to the stem or it attaches the leaf to the stem. Apart from this petiole, none other can perform this function. Tell me better, Tuhin.
What, ma'am?
Tell me the most important function which I told you just now.
Please tell again.
The petiole helps the leaf to remain attached to this plant, or the petiole holds the leaf to the stem. Tell me. Petiole holds the leaf to the stem.
Holds the leaf to the stem.
Excellent. Very good, Suhi. Okay, now you tell me, Debangshu, what is the petiole?
When petiole, the part of a leaf attached to the stem, is called petiole.
Very good. Excellent. Can you tell me the function of petiole better?
No, ma'am.
The function of petiole is to hold the leaf to the stem. Tell me. Tell me better the function of
Petiole attaches the leaf
leaf to the stem.
to the stem.
Excellent. Very good.
Thus, a petiole connects the leaf to the stem or branch on which it is present. Sometimes, the base of the petiole bears two small green leaf-like structures called stipules.
So, what is stipules? The thin part that come out like branches from the petiole are called stipules. Tell me, Tuhin, what is stipules? That
called
Very good. Excellent. Debangshu, tell me what is a stipule? Tell me, Debangshu, what is a stipule? The small leaf-like outgrowth of the plant that comes out on both ends of the petiole is called a stipule. Tell me, Debangshu. Debangshu, can you tell me, beta?
Called stipules. The surface of a leaf has minute pores called stomata.
Okay. The surface of these leaves have minute pores or very small holes that are called stomata. What does this stomata helps in doing? The stomata helps in respiration or in breathing. Through this stomata only, the leaves breathe in oxygen during the night and breathes out carbon dioxide. And during the daytime, the leaves breathe in carbon dioxide and breathes out oxygen. Is it clear to him?
Yes.
Okay, tell me to him, what is a stomata?
The small pores where the leaves of the plant breathe are during the photosynthesis they exchange air and air water vapor.
Very good, excellent. Both are correct. Okay, Debangshu, tell me what is a stomata, beta? Debangshu, can you tell me what is a stomata? The pores on that are present on the leaf
The present on the leaf
are called stomata.
called stomata.
Helps in. Tell me,
What, ma'am?
stomata helps
Stomata help
in absorption.
in
Absorption or absorbing. Okay, absorbing of oxygen
substituting oxygen
during the daytime,
during the daytime,
night, during the night,
during the night,
and breathes out carbon dioxide.
and breathe the carbon dioxide.
Very good. And during the day,
And during the day,
this stomata breathes in
this stomata breathe in
carbon dioxide
carbon dioxide
and releases
and leaches
oxygen.
oxygen.
So have you understood, Debangshu? During the daytime, the stomata breathes in carbon dioxide and releases the oxygen. And during night, it takes in oxygen and breathes out carbon dioxide. Is it clear, Debangshu?
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Through stomata, plants take in and release air. Plants also lose their extra water through stomata. Why is a leaf green? Well, a leaf is green due to the presence of a substance called chlorophyll in it. Chlorophyll helps in food preparation.
Okay, so why is the leaf green? The leaf is green because it contains a green color substance which is called chlorophyll. Is it clear, Debangshu?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear, Tuhin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now Tuhin, tell me, why is a plant green? Tuhin, tell me, why is the plant green?
The plants are green because the leaves of plants contain a green color pigment called chlorophyll.
Right. Very good. Okay, so tell me, why is the plant green? Debangshu, please tell me, why is the plant green?
The plants green because
Tell me, why is the plant green? Plant is green because it contains a green color
constitution of green color
substance.
of chlorophyll.
Very good. Green color substance called chlorophyll. Very good.
Leaves that are not green also have chlorophyll, but it is hidden.
Okay. Mark this word better. Those leaves which are not green, they also have the green color substance, but it is hidden. Is it clear to everyone?
What, ma'am?
Leaves which are not green in color. For example, leaves which is red in color or purple in color, those leaves also have chlorophyll of the green color substance, but it is hidden. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear, beta? Tuhin,
Yes, ma'am.
great.
In this module you have learned food is prepared in leaves of a plant. Petiole connects the leaf.
Okay. So what does chlorophyll helps in? Chlorophyll helps the leaf to prepare the food. So tell me, Tuhin, what does chlorophyll helps in?
The chlorophyll helps the plant to make their food.
Okay, Debangshu,